Good morning to everyone. So first of all, I would like to extend my thanks and gratitude to Pastor Navarro. Pastor, thank you so much for inviting me to this program. You know, CP program, it is a great blessing for me because clinical and pastoral education, this is the meter of Jesus Christ. Because through this program, you learn of how to love the weaknesses of your spouses, of how to love the weaknesses of your friends, and to minister and do the ministry. So, because you and I implement and need affirmation, validation, and appreciation. So, kailangan ito sa ikinhalang kini sa pag-usapan na ito. So, according to 1 John chapter 2 verse 9, even we believe that we are in the light, but if we hate our brothers, we are still in the darkness. So through the CPE program, you will learn how to love your fellow men. And even though we think that we are in the light, but if we cannot express, if we cannot show our love for fellow men, so according to the book of John, we are still in the darkness. Each man, every man needs love. So marag-usap nato daghang kinahanglan yung mga So I would like to offer and validate our Professor Sarlan for his appreciation and kindness and his determination in casting us through his consideration of our limitation. We have limitation. We have our weaknesses. So that needs to be processed. So I would like to extend my thanks to my peers for their for exposing my weaknesses and validated all of my strength. So I'm so thankful for God that I'm part of this first parts of the CP, clinical and pastoral education. So through the CP, you will improve your relationship towards your colleagues, towards your friends, and towards your spouses. So according to Book of Puskalya, love is love. If we miss love, we miss love. So that's all. Thank you.